What film's that from? Adria! Well, it was Adrian, wasn't it? Adrian.
Young ones.
Like, young ones. Adrian! Don't. Let me know in the comments what it is.
Right.
Adrian! Don't remember it, do you?
No.
No.
Yeah.
I've got a chippy Cav. 2004 Cav.
Yeah.
40,000 miles. Check the engine on it. 2.8.
Yeah. Bulletproof them things, aren't
It's a tank.
they? Yeah.
It's a tank. 3,500 kilograms with a 790 payload. Yeah. 40,000 miles. Loads of service history with it, Kev. Right. And it comes with
Attached disc.
I've seen one of them in a while, have you?
No, look at that, 2015.
Yeah.
It'd cost you £230 to tax it then. What's it now?
265, aren't they?
No more, 275 I think.
Well, it's one or t'other.
Yeah.
One or t'other,
I'll
isn't
tell
it?
you in a bit, I think mine's due.
Right. Okay. Freshwater capacity?
80.
96.
96. Yeah.
Wastewater?
60.
90.
90.
Little beast this, isn't it,
Yeah,
eh?
yeah.
We're going to do this under 10 grand as well.
Yeah.
What more can I tell you about it? Right, okay. I'm just in the middle, Kev, because it literally has just come in cleaning it.
I know it's not you, it's cleaning it.
So I was
Jason.
just cleaning it. Quick wander around. Graphics are okay, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quite tidy for its age.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
You've got your fresh water.
Yep.
You've got your cassette toilet.
Yep.
Hook up.
Yep.
Tuber heater.
Yeah. Fixed bed.
Fixed bed in the back.
Fixed
Look,
transverse bed.
fixed.
Yeah.
There's your heater. Look at even the old style ones. Not the old style, the new style.
Thermostatic.
Yeah. So if you drop below 5 degrees, it dumps your water out.
Plenty of storage there under the bed.
Yeah, I'll be liking that.
Yeah.
Oh, there's even an aerial with it.
Yeah. Have a look inside, eh?
Shall we go in?
Yeah.
What we got under there? Oh, leisure battery.
Yep.
Leisure battery under there. That'll probably make up into a bed, won't it?
It will, the table's on the top of the bed there behind you.
Yeah, it'll drop down, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's your cab.
Yeah.
No aircon on it, is there?
No aircon, no.
Yeah, I would have thought so.
We've got a wardrobe here.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've got a 3-way fridge here.
Skylight.
There's a 3-way fridge.
Yeah. Skylight here, Kev.
4 belted seats.
Oh, that cute, sir.
Yeah.
Little cutie tally.
Yeah, we've got 4 belted seats here.
Yeah.
It is only a 2-berth.
Okay. So, no, we might be able to make a bed here, Kev.
Oh, yeah, sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
4
And
berth.
you got your bed in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's in there?
Oh, good size washer.
Yeah.
Perfect size. For such a compact van.
Did you say where the fridge was?
Eh? Yeah.
I didn't do the length.
I've
Kev, you know.
done the fridge.
I didn't do the length, you know. 5.6 metres.
Yeah.
Now the only problem this van doesn't have, it doesn't have any hobs or a sink.
I could produce that though.
Could you?
Voila.
Ooh, voila.
2-metre hob.
Yeah. Sink.
Yeah. How's about that?
Nice prep area there then, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
More storage here. Little drawer. More storage. Yeah. Nice van.
Yeah. 50,000 miles, 40,000 miles as well. What a great little starter van for someone.
Yeah.
We'll give it a clean up, so
Yeah, it'll be clean when you get it.
when's MOT due? Oh, September time. What more can you ask for, Kev?
For under 10k.
Yeah, under 10k. What more can you ask for?
Good starter van.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
And do you know what's doing it for me? That
2.8 bulletproof. 2.8 bulletproof.
Yeah, 2.8.
Bulletproof.
Isn't it? Obviously on the diesel as well.
Yeah.
One previous owner.
You always have to start somewhere, and this will do the same job as that remote behind you. That one. Probably go on site, sleep in it, cook in it,
Yeah, you could.
and enjoy it.
Yeah.
So, you know, if you've got a low budget, He'll do the same job, and it's a damn sight warmer than the tent.
Isn't it just? Yeah.
Yeah, so good
Wrap it
start.
up, Kev.
Good start, Evan. So don't forget, like and subscribe, and don't forget, if you do need finance on any of our vehicles, Pegasus Finance.
Look at that, eh? Polished professional.
Yeah. Come on, the
That's
sun shall shine. It stopped raining.